Uno aik tien ke Bharatiya Janata Party ke jong ke Meghalaya uba MH Karkrang loong. Bah hadu menta ke Central Executive Committee jong ke party kampat raya kinuki kyrteng banya aireng na ke menta ke eleksyon MP Lok Sabha na Shillong seat. Habagran sikilat patai kubor ke janmit jong ke sitere uno pra arja arpulai uba Karkrang loong. Ba Watla ke kyrteng jong uba Hek kalami henry hadu mentahi kampat jit yau kyrteng. Shushu uloong bakaseng kapli ke jingkang lada don ki kertong kentai ki babiang banya aireng hia kanik election MP.
We have seen the name of Bah Hek been doing the round. So, I mean, has the party decided to feel?
No, like I said, because it seems our central leadership have not asked for any proposals till now. So no official names have gone to Delhi till now. And even me, I've seen in the papers, and if we can have Hek, a 6-time MLA, as a candidate also, that would be wonderful.
But what is the procedure? Has the central leadership formed any committee or to take applications?
No, right now not yet. Probably they are waiting for these 5 elections to be completed. No, neither has the central leadership asked, neither has it been set from yet.
Would you have a prequel understanding with the ruling NPP?
For Lok Sabha?
Yeah.
No, there are no indications as such.
Because last election, previous elections, BJP had always been contesting their vote.
There is this euphoria of women being fielded as candidates. Whether BJP also is going the same way?
You see, the thing, it's not about euphoria and putting up candidate. Basically, we have to see whether we have any eligible candidate from the women's side.
But any thought that women...
You see, everything is open for everything. I mean, we would love to if we have a good woman candidate. So we are not closing our doors. I mean, we are open to all.